Hey guys, what's up? We are here on the delivery trail, guys. We are actually in St. Catherine, Spanish Town, and this is Featherbed Lane. As I said, we're on the delivery trail, guys. We are a friendly neighborhood shipping company that allows you to get your packages from overseas, shipped to Jamaica, and delivered to your doorstep. We are in Spanish Town now. We're making some deliveries. We are here. We're on the delivery trail. Guys, even if it's a holiday, if it's a Sunday, if it's a Saturday, we are going to get your package delivered to you, right? So buy your items online. We ship them to Jamaica for you and get them delivered to your doorstep. All of Spanish Town, salute. Big up on yourself. Eternal Father, bless our land. Today is a holiday, but we're on the delivery trail. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now. Follow it. We're on the delivery trail, guys. Bye.